If x equals e raised to t plus 1 by t and y equals e raised to t minus 1 by t, then find dy by dx at t equal to minus 2. We have x is equal to e raised to t plus 1 by t, so we'll find dx by dt. Therefore dx by dt is equal to, we know d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, so d by dt of e raised to t plus 1 by t is equal to e raised to t plus 1 by t into d by dt of t plus 1 by t. D by dt of t plus 1 by t is, d by dt of t is 1 plus d by dt of 1 by t. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Therefore d by dt of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. This is equal to e raised to t plus 1 by t into 1 plus minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by t square. This is equal to, if we take LCM, LCM e raised to t plus 1 by t, LCM is t, so e raised to t into t into LCM t, so t square plus 1 by t into t become 1 by the LCM t into, here 1 minus 1 by t square, LCM is t square, so 1 into t square is t square minus 1 by t square into t square, 1 by t square. So we have got dx by dt is equal to e raised to t square plus 1 divided by t into t square minus 1 by t square. Now we will find dy by dt. Dy by dt is equal to e raised to t minus 1 by t into d by dt of t minus 1 by t. D by dt of t is 1 minus d by dt of 1 by t, that is minus 1 by t square. This is equal to e raised to t minus 1 by t into 1 minus minus 1 by t square, that is 1 plus 1 by t square. If we take LCM, we will get e raised to t square minus 1 by t into t square plus 1 divided by t square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is e raised to t square minus 1 by t into t square plus 1 divided by t square whole divided by dx by dt is e raised to t square plus 1 by t into t square minus 1 by t square. Now we can cancel this t square and t square. We have got e raised to t square minus 1 by t into t square plus 1 divided by e raised to t square plus 1 by t into t square minus 1. Now dy by dx at t equal to 2, t equal to minus 2 is equal to, we will substitute t equal to minus 2 in this dy by dx. So this become e raised to, in e raised to t square, t is minus 2, so minus 2 square is 4 minus 1 by t is minus 2 into t square plus 1, t square is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by e raised to t square plus 1. So e raised to t square, e raised to t square is 4 plus 1 divided by t, t is minus 2 into t square minus 1, t square is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. This is equal to e raised to 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 by minus 2. So e raised to minus 3 by 2 into 5 divided by e raised to 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by minus 2, so e raised to minus 5 by 2, e raised to minus 5 by 2 into 3. This is equal to, that 5 by 3 we can take, so 5 by 3 into e raised to minus 3 by 2 divided by minus 5 by 2. This becomes minus 3 by 2 minus minus 5 by 2. This is equal to 5 divided by 3 into e raised to minus 3 by 2 minus minus 5 by 2, e raised to minus 3 plus 5 whole divided by 2. This is equal to 5 by 3 into e raised to minus 3 plus 5 is 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 5 by 3 into e raised to 2 by 2, that is e raised to 1, which is equal to e. So our answer is 5 by 3e or 5e divided by 3.